Okay, subscribe.
Baby shark comes swimming fast, wants to make the good times last. He spins, he jumps, he flips with glee, singing loud, come dance with me. Baby shark comes swimming fast, wants to make the good times last. He spins, he jumps, he flips with glee, singing loud, come dance with me. Little shark, twirl and slide, swim in circles side to side, guns up high and dip down low. Dance with us and feel the flow. Sister shark with a bow on her head dances around in blue and red. She does the twist, she flips with flair, bubbles and giggles fill the air. Clap your hands and wiggle your fin, let the ocean party begin. Stop your tail and do a spin, let's all shark dance once again. Brother shark likes jumping high, zooming fast, oh my. He makes big splashes everywhere, laughs and plays without a care. Dance right, move it hard, little shark, jump like a wave. Shake, 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 and then behave. Twist your tail and touch your nose. Strike a pose in a sharky pose. Mommy shark, so kind and sweet, she dances with a happy beat. She sprays her fins and hums a tune under the stars and silver moon. Daddy shark with a silly smile dances in his own cool style. He bumps his nose and shakes his head, then swims in circles, pink and red. Let's swim together, swim, swim, spin and play in the ocean every day. Little sharks from near and far, dancing bright like ocean stars. Grandma and Grandpa shark. Grandma shark wears big round glasses, she sways her tail and slowly passes. Grandpa shark with his funny laugh tells old tales in a bubbly bath.